In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Steelseries Arctis 7 to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Arctis 7 headset on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 console. You will be able to follow the exact same steps regardless of the model that you have. So the Arctis 7, Arctis 7 Plus, or even the 7P, which is designed for PlayStation consoles. So first, if you have the standard Arctis 7, you will have the included transmitter. On PlayStation consoles, you will be able to use this transmitter. So all that you have to do is plug the transmitter into any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. As soon as the transmitter is plugged in, all that you have to do is power on the headset. So press and hold the power button and give it a few seconds. It should automatically pair itself up with the SteelSeries wireless transmitter. And once this is done, you will be good to go. You can go over to the settings on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, and if you look under the audio devices, you will be able to set it up as the default input and output device, allowing you to use the microphone and listen to all of the audio being output through your PlayStation console. Alternatively, if you have the 7P model, the steps are basically going to be the same, but instead of the transmitter, you will have this little USB-C wireless dongle. What you have to do instead is plug the dongle into the included USB-C to USB-A adapter if needed, and then use this adapter to plug it into any of the available USB-A ports on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Alternatively, if you are able to connect this wireless dongle directly into a USB-C port on your console, then you can do that instead. And once again, it is going to be picked up, properly set up, and you will be able to change the connection on the console when you go over to the audio devices. Make sure that it is sufficiently charged and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 7 to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!